Hey there, I'm Rebecca Plant.
I'm Edward Plant.
Now we are really excited to see you for in the flesh, in-person event with the Business League next Wednesday, the 2nd of September.
So we've got you registered for the physical, face-to-face live event. It's going to be at the Gold Coast Convention Centre, and we're really looking forward to getting back to high calibre, amazing events that we've become well known for on the Gold Coast.
Yeah, in the past 8 years. So we will obviously have had to change a few things in the way that we run things, but be rest assured the venue that we are using and ourselves have a COVID safe plan in place to assure your safety and everyone else who's attending that morning.
And we have some tips on how to welcome each other, what you can do, what you can't do, and maybe what you should do so that you don't feel left out when you meet our community. A couple of things you need to know though is we've got an amazing speaker lined up. Dan and Danny from the block, really big profile, and whether you hate them or like them, there's heaps you can learn about branding themselves and the businesses they've created off the back end of that.
Now, if you've been to a live event in one of your small other networking groups, perhaps that you're involved in, or other business groups that you're involved in, this won't be like that. This is a large-scale event. It's a big venue, a big event, and there will be lots of tables and ability for you to expand your operation if you come ready to have exciting and engaging conversations and ready to invoke your brain to listen into some strategies that might work for you in taking your business to the next level.
During the morning, there's heaps of networking time where you can get to meet and connect with high quality business owners and help your business grow. So the key things you need to know are doors open at 6:30, we start at 7, we finish at 9, come with business cards ready to meet some good business owners that can help your business grow.
And now that we're back out in the public, I don't need to say wear clothes or wear pants because it's an absolutely not optional anymore. It's a must. Make sure you come ready, ready to have some fun and ready to learn. I'm Rebecca Plant.
I'm Edward Plant.
This is the Business League. We'll see you soon.